In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Projects. To get started, the first step is to log into your Xero accounting software. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as this will be your gateway to managing all your financial data and projects. Once you're logged in, we can dive right into using Xero for project management. On your dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the Projects option. This feature is specifically designed to help you track both time and money spent on your various projects, all directly within Xero. Managing projects through Xero can greatly enhance the clarity and efficiency of your financial processes. Once you're in the Project section, click on All Projects to view any ongoing work or check the status of previous assignments. This will give you a comprehensive understanding of what's happening across all your projects. To initiate a new project, you'll click on New Project. This step is key to setting up the specifics of your current work. You'll start in what's called a draft state, allowing you the flexibility to input preliminary details without commitment. The first detail to tackle is adding a contact. This will typically be your client or the main stakeholder in the project. Adding this contact is crucial, as it ensures that communication lines are clear and keeps everyone on the same page right from the get-go. Next, you'll need to give your project a name. Choose something clear and descriptive, as this will be incredibly helpful, especially when you're dealing with multiple projects at once. Once you've named your project, it's time to specify a deadline date. Deadlines are instrumental in keeping a project on track and help manage everyone's expectations. They're also critical for planning and resource allocation, so take your time to choose a realistic deadline. Xero Projects offer the option to add estimated expenses, which can significantly improve your budgeting accuracy and financial planning for the project. This foresight will allow you to map out the financial aspect effectively. You'll also want to pay attention to who can view your project. Xero Projects come with access settings that let you control visibility to ensure that sensitive information is accessible only to the right team members. After inputting all the necessary details, you're ready to click Create. Congratulations, your project is now active and can be further customized as needed. The next step involves assigning staff to your project. Simply click on Assign and choose the appropriate team member based on their skills and strengths. Once you've selected the staff, click Done to finalize the assignment. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a project in Xero. By leveraging Xero Projects, you're well on your way to managing your resources more effectively and elevating your financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you streamline your project management efforts with ease.